underscore tkinter.clearer, no display name and no $display environment variable. I am running a simple Python script in the server. I try to use the command python example.py in this server, which has matplotlib 1.5.1 installed. It fails with the error. What is happening here?
Matplotlib chooses its Windows backend by default. You need to set matplotlib to not use this Windows backend. Add this code to the start of your script, before importing pyplot, and try again. Or add to .config/matplotlib/matplotlib line backend column add to use non-interactive backend. Or when connect to server use sshx remote machine command to use Windows. Also you may try to export display equals mymachine.com column 0.0. For more info, this URL.
You can solve it by adding these two lines in the very beginning of your Py script. PS, the error will still exist if these two lines are not added in the very beginning of the source code. To add up on the answer, I used this at the beginning of the needed script. So it runs smoothly on different environments. Because I didn't want it to be always using the AG backend, only when it would go through Travis C for example.
I had this same issue trying to run a simple tkinter app remotely on a Raspberry Pi. In my case I did want to display the tkinter GUI on the Pi display, but I want to be able to execute it over SSH from my host machine. I was also not using matplotlib, so that wasn't the cause of my issue. I was able to resolve the issue by setting the display environment variable as the error suggests with the command. A good explanation of what the display environment variable is doing and why the syntax is so odd can be found here, this URL.
I was facing it on Colab, and the following code lines solved it. Put it at the beginning of the notebook. Reference.
Video has a bot job. Please consider subscribing.